Hey, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Coach Micheal Burt, I'm in downtown Nashville. Nice ride. Hope you're doing great. Tuesday, Thursday, like to bring you a rhythm. And a rhythm, your heart beats in a rhythm, your life beats in a rhythm. I'm going to go down and stand in front of the Greatness Factory. You guys keep hearing me talking about this. There it is, folks. Mark, good morning to you, sir. Good morning to you. Freddie Blanton, good morning to you. Can't wait to see you at this Greatness Factory. Tony Woodall, right there. 8,000 square foot. This place is going to have auditorium. You can work here, you can learn here, you can grow here. You can get better here. More importantly, you can step into your greatness here. That's what you're going to be able to do at the Greatness Factory, right? And right across the street is a church, so I can't build a complacency factory. Daniel Hodges. But if I could, we'd be getting people on both sides of the equation. All right, so good morning, guys. I wanted to come to you this morning and talk about a series I have starting on Monday. Tony Barnes, and it's called A Confident Mind. And I'm doing this series many years ago when I was a women's basketball coach. I wrote down on a napkin, Tony, a confident player would try anything, Mike. A confident player would always try to do what I was asking her to do, okay? An insecure person wouldn't. And I began to associate winning with confidence. And so many years later, 25 years old, I wrote a book called Swag, 6 Battle-Tested Strategies to Build, Maintain, and Protect Your Greatest Asset. And then I came back and I studied the work of Zessner, who was the psychologist at West Point. And he wrote a book called The Confident Mind. And I thought, man, if there's ever, Jason Robinson, been a time that people need that. So I broke that down, codified it, deconstructed it. And I said, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do a series, 4 weeks. It's only $97, mainly because I really want people to be confident. Confidence is the memory of success. That's a psychological definition. Here's another definition. If you hadn't had success, it's an internal knowing that you can create or manifest what you see in your mind, in your imagination. Okay? It is the exchange of feedback when you're doing something you're really good at doing from the marketplace. So there's a confidence. So right now you need tools. You need mental tools. So in that series, I'm going to be breaking down, morning, Charlie. I'm going to be breaking down the sewer cycle versus the success cycle. That's a tool I use. I'm going to be breaking down what confidence is. I'm going to be breaking down how to get it back once you've lost it. I'm going to get it back on how you have it every single day. Okay, and then I'm going to show you how to go from confidence to remarkable boldness. Okay, confidence, memory of success. Success happens through consistent, ongoing, systematic repetition. It happens from the exchange of a talent to solve a problem in which you receive feedback. Daniel Hodges. Daniel Hodges got some big things going on. I can't wait for him to be able to share what he's got going on. So I become more confident when I exchange my talent and the world comes back and says, thank you, I owe you. That was good. And you're rewarded in love and recognition and affirmation and referrals, but it all starts with confidence. A confident person, Pastor Ken, will not pick up the phone and call somebody. A confident an insecure person will not do a video. So confidence is the memory of success. Success happens through consistent repetition. We can build it as an asset. We can grow it. We can maintain it. We can protect it. And I want you to build an unbreakable confidence. So starting next Monday, May 1st, every Monday at 11:30, your team needs to be on it. It's 30 or 40 minutes a week. I'm going to give you a tool. It's $97. So you get 4 weeks of coaching with me for $97 on one thing, how to build an unbreakable confidence. And I'm calling it a confident mind. So let me close with this. Every action we take is driven by our thoughts. Our thoughts are no wiser than our understandings. We have small thoughts, we take small action, we get small results. How do you expand those thoughts to go, I can do that? The reason I stay in Nashville a lot, is A, because I got a place here at the 505, number one, Jay. And when I'm in Nashville, I'm thinking bigger. I'm playing bigger. See this building behind me? Probably raised $350 million to build the 505 Tony Giarratana, right? And what I'm doing is when I'm down here, I'm thinking, hey, you don't have to blow your horn at people, folks. Come on. And so when I'm down in Nashville, I'm thinking bigger, Brittany. I'm more confident. There's an action. That confidence starts to turn to remarkable boldness, which starts to get into action. The more action you take, the more confident you are. So if you're interested, I'm going to post the link, or Brittany can post the link if she's got it, on A Confident Mind, Brittany Hall. Just post the link in the comments. 4 weeks with me. Get your team on it. I'll lead your sales meetings. It's 11:30 a.m. Central Time every single Monday. You can watch it at lunch. It's 30 minutes. It's going to be a great series called A Confident Mind. If you struggle, insecurity, doubt, fear, your mind goes to the sewer cycle. No more. You go through 4 weeks with me, and you're going to be thinking at such a freakish level, you're going to be doing things you've never done before, folks. And that is what we specialize in. So, make it a great day. Love you guys. Before I get started, there is one very important question I have to ask you.
Coach Micheal Burt, Monster Producer Academy CEO. He's a personal friend of mine.
What good is it to have knowledge with no desire? What good is it to have desire with no skill? What good is it to have knowledge and skill with no confidence?
A big part of activating your prey drive is finding and refining your talent. This is something that helps you get to the next place.
People are made up of 4 parts: a body, a mind, a heart, and a spirit.
You need to know you, and then you need to have an awareness, and sometimes you don't even know what you need.
So all 4 parts of our nature have to be clicking. Your hard skill solves my problem. The bigger the problem, the more money people will pay to solve it.
Everything is valuable to your future. What I'm really paying you for is your past.
A monster producer combines multiple skills to dominate a market.
When you get to wake up every day and do what you love doing, man, it is hard not to be motivated.
They think at a higher ordinance than everybody else. They want to create new things.
I have a conviction about me, and that's the conviction that you feel when I talk, when I speak. It comes across as passion. You got to learn how to connect to another person at such a deep level that it moves them. You have goals, you have targets, but you don't have a sense of urgency.
They're going to exchange money, energy. They're going to raise capital. They're going to start new businesses. There's going to be joint ventures.
I think your purpose finds you. It is activated. The word activate means to initiate. Discipline, which is a derivative of the word disciple, which means to give yourself to a person or cause you believe in. Do you believe in your future, yes or no? When we know better, we do better. Finding the problem that you are uniquely qualified to solve, and you don't know what problem you really solve for whom, then there is no big financial exchange right there. You should leave here thinking bigger today than when you came. And I want to shake your hand and look you in the eyeball when you make this decision. Thank you. We'll see you in the back. God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.